What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we are unboxing a European exclusive sneaker for the I-5923 silhouette. This is Manchester Showers. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a bunch of hyper laces as well as REMS cleaning solutions the moment we hit 20,000 subscribers. Subscribe now, follow me on Instagram. Before we start, let me just give quick shout out to DJ Big Boy Cheng for this really cool Secret Fresh shirt that I got from his store. We'll probably do another collab very soon, so you guys should watch out for that one. Let's get to the unboxing. This is my first Nike or I-5923 sneaker. This is the pride of the 70s, and I already did the review on this, and I'll put a link down below just in case you guys haven't watched it yet. Now, the highlight of the sneaker was really the suede plus the lightweight upper, and then you have the Boost midsole. So that is the I-5923. Now, this is the first one that I have, the first colorway, and it was about time that I added one more to my collection, and that's why I picked this one up. I've been in the market for a shoe like this, but with a black Boost midsole, and this was one of the first ones that I got, and just so happened to be well, a European exclusive. Let's get to the unboxing. As expected, it comes in your typical blue Adidas box. You have the information, of course, on the side. This is the size 12. So let's pop open the box. It's very straightforward. Let's pop the lid open. You have the Adidas, wrapper paper thing going on. There aren't anything special. There's not anything special in the box itself. You don't get any like memorabilia or cards, as with some of the sneakers that we've unboxed, especially the Jordan 1 Gatorade. That one had so much stuff inside that it was really hella fun to open and unbox. But anyway, let's get to the sneaker. So here it is, and it is ridiculously gorgeous. And this is the I-5923 Manchester Showers, and it is ridiculously dope, just as I imagined it. And wow, man, this is pretty sweet. So let's go over the shoe. I think you guys will love the story behind this sneaker. So before we get to the colorway and talking about it, let's get behind the, the design thinking or the reason why it's called Manchester Showers. Let me just fix this a bit. So this one is called Manchester Showers because it is inspired by the rainy weather over at Manchester. So this is supposed to symbolize, the gloomy weather that they have. And that's why you have the gray colorway and the black, because that's supposed to represent dark skies, the gloomy skies that they usually have. Apart from the gray and the black, you're probably seeing the yellow streaks because that's the most prominent accent to the color of the sneaker. And the yellow is supposed to represent the thunder and the lightning that's streaked down from the heavens when it is raining over at that city. And that's what this sneaker is supposed to be all about. It's supposed to capture the spirit, the gloomy spirit of the weather over at Manchester. Now, in terms of the materials used for the sneaker, it's actually pretty cool. You have suede, of course, at the toe box that you have here. That's the black color there. And then you have the same suede heel counter and heel guard over here at the back. You have leather accents for the Adidas logo here at the back, as well as a tougher form of material for the tongue tab. The knit material, it's a mix of knit and mesh that covers the entire shoe, so it is fairly breathable and cool to when you are wearing it. Moving down to the midsole, of course, you have the black Boost midsole, and then when you go down, you have a rubber outsole. How is the sneaker, the Manchester Showers, on feet? Practically the same as the pride of the 70s, because the I-5923, while they have some sort of different material for the upper, because this one doesn't have like any texture to it, well, this one has some sort of net thing going on, like a mesh thing going on. It's practically the same on feet. It's almost the same breathability, it's almost the same cooling, it's the same cushioning, and overall comfort levels are practically and literally the same. So how is that to those who haven't worn the I-5923 yet? Well, if you haven't seen my review of this one, to give you a summary, it is comfortable, but it's not as comfortable, nowhere near comfortable as the Pure Boost or the Ultra Boost, especially nowhere near the EQT. This one is really more of an everyday casual sneaker that's slightly or a few notches more comfortable than your Eva foam based type of sneaker. But if you want like extreme comfort, then you might want to consider, going up to the EQTs, the Pure Boosts, and the Ultra Boost. Heck, you might want even to consider the Solar Boost, the Solar Glide, because those are also hella comfortable compared to this sneaker. So when should you consider buying this sneaker? At the end of the day, it really boils down to the style. If this particular colorway, if this particular design, what it represents, especially maybe if you're a fan of the Manchester football team, or if you love London, or if you love the UK, then you might want to consider picking this one up. But if your primary, for example, reason for getting a sneaker is comfort, this might not be for you. If you're looking for a sneaker that's for athletic, that you can use either for athletics or for casual, this isn't for you. This one really is more of a casual lifestyle sneaker that provides, you know, decent comfort as well as excellent breathability and that is super lightweight. And there you have it. That's our review and unboxing of the Manchester shower sneaker I-5923. How about you guys? What do you think of this silhouette? What do you think of this colorway? Let me know down in the comment section below. I hope you're all having a great week. Peace. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.